Dear students, this is English time for you. Are you ready to gain knowledge? Well, you are welcome to the English class. D.J. Enright. He is the author of the poem The Rebel. D for Dennis. J for Joseph. Dennis Joseph Enright. He was born on March 11, 1920. He was educated at Leamington College, Cambridge. He was a poet, novelist, critic, and translator. He was not only a poet, novelist, or critic. He had taught English at universities in Egypt, Japan, Berlin, Thailand, and Singapore. His poetry collections include The Laughing Hyena and Other Poems, which was published in the year 1953. He was awarded the Queen's Gold Medal for Poetry in 1981. D.J. Enright also published fiction for adults and children. Enright died on 31st January 2002. One of his poems is The Rebel. The Rebel is a lightly expressed poem written in a casual style and free of criticism. Are you eager to read the poem The Rebel? Good. Let's move on. The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. What do you get from these lines? When everybody has short hair, the rebel grows his hair long because he gets pleasure and satisfaction. He feels happy by going against the society. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. Why? The rebel is not constant, not stable. Therefore, when he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his hair short. When people grow long hair, he cuts his hair short. What do you understand from the above lines about rebel? The above lines highlights the rebel's inconstant nature. Inconstant nature means not stable in their nature. Who is not confirm in their nature. Do you understand the rebel's nature? Yes, good. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. The rebels watch when everybody talks during the lesson. Suddenly, he finds himself to be silent. Why? Because he thinks. The rebel thinks silence values most when others are talking. Just opposite to this, when nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Why does he or she create disturbance? Because he is a rebel. He cannot help, but he can create disturbance. He stays silent during the lesson when everyone is discussing a matter, but when it is time for general discussion, what do? The rebels remain attentive to the teacher and does not participate in the discussion. The rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others do not do. See the image, that boy making a noise. Try to create a disturbance during the lesson. This is rebel's nature. See the next line. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. What is meant by soberly? Soberly is opposite to fantastic. Then what is fantastic? Fantastic is which is highly fashionable and attractive. That means soberly is which is dull in attraction. See the lines. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. He would wear colorful clothes, fantastic clothes, when everybody else is dressed up in a common uniform. However, the moment he sees others dressed up in colorful and different clothes, he is unable to control his urge. For what? To wear the uniform. This explains in the lines. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. He wears sober dresses when people wear the colorful dresses. He does the opposite. He comes soberly when everybody comes in fantastic clothes. These lines show the rebel's need to exhibit himself as different. Exhibit means to present himself in a different view. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When others prefer dogs, he expresses his wish for the preference of cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When others are in the company of cat lovers, the rebel says good about dogs and he says a favorable word for dogs. The word preference means choice here. In the company of cat lovers, his choice is dogs, and in the company of dogs, he prefers cats. The rebel's preference never match with others in the group. That means the rebel's choice never match with others. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. The rebels become rain lovers when they realize that the others are praising the sun, that others are enjoying the sun. When he comes to know that everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Oh, I think it is very difficult to bring the rebel on standard. See, now the rebel regrets. Regrets means what? Worrying about something. The rebel worry about the absence of sun. In the before lines, the rebel remarks for the need for rain. What is remarks? Remarks means comment. Comment for the necessity of rain. Now the rebels are worried about the absence of sun when others are welcoming the rain. When people want the rain, rebel goes for sun. When people need the sun, the rebel remarks for rain. He comments for rain. Is it good? No, we should adjust. See the image. Both sun and moon looks beautiful. We must admire when it comes instead of argue it. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. Do you know the rebels are usually alone because to prefer a different path than others. So, when others go for meeting, they stay at home and read a book. He attends meeting when others stay at home because the rebel's wish is to stand out from the rest of the crowd. Their wish is to stand out different rather blindly following the crowd. They prefer to be alone and follow a different path. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. That means when everybody accepts and says yes, the rebel does not accept and he says no thank you. Now see how the rebel reacts when everybody says no thank you. The rebel says yes please. It means when others are disagree with something and says no thank you, the rebel welcomes it and says yes please. It is very clear. Saying yes when everybody says no and saying no when everybody says yes is another character of the rebel. The above lines highlight clearly it is impossible to make the rebel agree with anyone at all. Yes, it is very clear that it is impossible to make the rebel agree with us. These two lines are the ending lines of the poem. What the poet says, it is very good that we have rebels. It seems having rebels around us is beneficial because they train us to acknowledge differences. They train us to know the differences and to accept the differences. And also they have their own opinions, unique thinker, and they are different. Such people exist in our society. They are rebels. We must have a soft corner for them, but we should not try to be one of them. This is the last line. See the image. You may not find it very good to be one. It is not good to be a rebel oneself because they are not accepted by the society. So, mingle with rebels but not be a rebel. Synonyms help us to learn new words with a similar meaning. Now, we can see the similar meaning word. The first word is preference. Preference means choice. What is meant by preference? Preference means priority. Priority you give for the first importance. Then what is meant by choice? Choice is also what is our first choice to get or to have. This is called preference or choice. Example, car buyers have recently shown a growing preference for smaller vehicles. That means car buyers have showing their preference for buying only smaller vehicles. That means their first choice is to get smaller vehicles. Second example, when it comes to food, everyone has their own preference. That means when it comes to food, everyone has their own choice. They have the own priority. That means what to eat. Now what is their wish or choice to have a food? This is preference or choice. Greeting means welcome. This is the second synonym. The common meaning for greeting is wishing. It has another meaning, that is welcome. If we see the example, you can understand easily. See the first one. Cheery greetings from 2019 to 2020. Cheery means happily. We welcome the year 2020 from the year 2019 happily. Greeting the year 2020. That means welcome the year 2020. Second example. She did not even get up to greet him. That means she did not even get up from her place to welcome him. Greet means welcome. She did not even get up from her place to welcome him. Third synonym, remark. Remark means comment. This word remark we use can see in our progress card. What is meant by remark? Remark and comment have the similar meaning. Then what is comment? Comment means expressing an opinion in verbal or in written form. We received for our works. In the progress card, we can see a comment or remark like very good. You have improved. This is a comment or remark. Do you understand? Yes. Shall we see the example? Okay. See the first example. She could find no negative remarks about the homemade chocolate. That means she could not find any negative comment about the homemade chocolate, the chocolate which she made in her home. Second example, I was offended by his remark. Offended means feeling upset or insult. I was upset by his remark. That means I was upset by his comment. Fourth one, regret. Regret means grieve. Both also it has a same meaning. That means worry about something. See the example. He does not regret scolding her. That means he does not worry about scolding her. He does not grieve scolding her. Second example. She later regretted quitting her job because she was unable to find another one for a long time. That means she could not find a job anywhere else for a long time. So she regretted. She grieved. She worried about quitting her job. Regret means grieve. That means worry about something. Fifth one is company. The similar synonym is companionship. Here, the word company means companionship, not the company of business. Meaning for company or companionship is having friendly relationship with somebody and not being alone. Maintain a friendly relationship with somebody. This is companionship. Example, the companionship with my father is worth more than anybody. That means the company or companionship with my father is more valuable or truthful than anybody. I like the friendly relationship with my father. Second example, the truth is I like my brother's companionship. That means the actual fact is I like my brother's friendly relationship. That means his companionship. My brother's companionship than anybody. Are you ready to write the synonyms in your classwork notes? Okay. Take your classwork notes. Go to the index page. Write the serial number, today's date. Write the topic, poem 2. What is the name of the poem? The Rebel. Write the Rebel. Now, write inside the classwork note. Take a new page. Take a fresh page. The same, you write today's date. Write the heading, poem 2, The Rebel, in center of the first line. Now, Leave 2 lines, then write the heading synonyms. SY, NO, NY, MS, synonyms. Leave a line. Write the first word, preference. How to pronounce this word? Preference. 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 Put hyphen and write the word choice. 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 Leave a line, then write the second word greeting. 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 Put hyphen, then write the word welcome. 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 Now leave a line, then write the third word remark. What is meant by remark? Remark means comment. REMARK. Remark. Put hyphen. Now write comment. 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 Leave a line, then write the fourth one regret. 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 How to pronounce this word? Regret. Put hyphen, then write grieve. 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 Grieve means worry about something. The same for regret, worrying about something. Leave a line. Now write the fifth synonym, company. Put hyphen and write companionship. COMPANIONSHIP. Ship. Companionship. Do you remember the meaning for companionship? Yes. Companionship means having friendly relationship with somebody. Shall we recall? Good. The first one, preference means choice. Second one, greeting, welcome. Third one, remark, comment. Fourth one, regret, grieve. Fifth one, company means companionship. Antonym. Antonym means a word opposite in meaning. In the before topic, we saw the similar meaning word, same meaning word. Now, we can see opposite meaning word for each of the following words. The first word is long. The antonym for long is short. What is meant by long? Long means having greater in size than the usual one. Short means less than the average size. Do you understand? Long means greater in size. Short means less than the average size. First example, she has long hair. That means she has hair which is greater in size. Now, shall we see the same example for antonym word short? She has short hair. That means she has average size hair. See the second example. It is difficult to memorize the long sentence. That means it is difficult to memorize a sentence which is longer in size. Antonym, it is easy to memorize the short sentence. That means it is easy to memorize which is short. That means average sentence. Is it easy to understand? Shall we go to the second antonym? Okay. What is the second one? See the image. Grow, cut. That means the opposite word for grow is cut. Grow means to increase in size or number. Cut means to break or to divide. Example, he is trying to grow a beard. Do you know what is beard? Beard means the hair which grows on a man's cheeks. He is trying to grow a beard. If we see this for cut, he is trying to cut the beard. He does not want to grow a hair on his cheeks. So, he wants to cut his beard. Third one, quietness. The opposite meaning for quietness is disturbance. What is quietness? Making no noise or sound. That is quietness. Then what is disturbance? Act of disturbing. That means creates a disturbance when the situation is calm or quiet. Calm. Example, she wants more quietness while she is studying. It's common for everyone. Everybody needs quietness when we are studying. That means she does not want any more disturbances while she is studying. Fourth antonym is sober. S-O-B-E-R. Sober. The opposite meaning for sober is fantastic. F-A-N-T-A-S-T-I-C. Fantastic. What is meant by sober? Sober means dull or lacking brightness. We can say which is not colorful. It is also sober. Then what is meant by fantastic? Fantastic is which is fanciful in design and also extraordinarily good in design. Colorful, fanciful is fantastic, and colorless, brightless, which is looking dull, is sober. She wears sober clothes. That the opposite for sober is fantastic. She wears fantastic clothes. Sober means brightless. She wears brightless clothes and she wears colorful clothes. Fancy design clothes. That means she wears fantastic clothes. Do you understand the meaning for sober and fantastic? Yes, good. Shall we see one more example? Yeah. They do make glitzy and fantastic party dresses. Do you know what is glitzy? Glitzy means glittery, which is sparkling. And we know fantastic means fashionable. So, they do make glittery and fashionable party dresses. They do make sober party dresses. That means they do make colorless or brightless party dresses. Would you like to wear sober clothes or fantastic clothes? We are so cheerful persons. So, we always like to wear fantastic clothes, fashionable clothes. Fifth antonym is lost. The opposite word for lost is found. What is lost? Lost is a past form of lose. Then found is the past form of find. Last means unable to find the way, not knowing where you are or where it is. Found means able to know where you are or where it is. Lost means we cannot find. Found means we can find. Example, I had a map and I lost my way back to the home. That means I did not have a map, so I could not find my way back to the home. I lost my photos while I was cleaning my cupboards. That means when I was cleaning my cupboards, I lost it. I could not find where it was. The opposite for lost is found. The same example, I found my photos while I was cleaning my cupboards. That means when I was cleaning my cupboards, I found my photos. Found is a past form of find. I find my photos where it was. Are you able to find out how the opposite words are differ in the meaning? Yes. Shall we write this topic antonyms in our classwork notes? Write the heading antonyms. ANTONYMS. Write A in capital. Put hyphen and write the word short. 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 Now write the second word in next line. Grow. GROW. Write the letter G in capital. Put hyphen, then write the word cut. 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 In the next line, you write the third antonym, quietness. Write Q in capital. QUIETNESS. Quietness. Put hyphen and write the word disturbance. 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 In the next line, you write the word sober. 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 Write the letter S in capital. Put hyphen and write fantastic. 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 Leave a line. Then write the fifth antonym, lost. 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 Write the letter L in capital. Put hyphen and write FOUND. Found. What is the first antonym? Long. The opposite for long is short. Second antonym is grow. The opposite word for grow is cut. Third one, quietness. The opposite word for quietness is disturbance. Fourth antonym is sober. The opposite meaning word for sober is fantastic. Fifth one, lost. The opposite for lost is found. Short questions. What is the first question? If someone doesn't wear a uniform to school, what do you think the teacher will say? You guess. If someone doesn't come in a uniform to school, do you have any idea what the teacher will say? Yes, the teacher will scold the student. See the answer? The teacher will scold the student who will not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to the school. If someone breaks the rule of wearing a uniform while coming to the school, the teacher will scold. So what's the answer? The teacher will scold the student who will not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to the school. What is the second question? When everyone wants a clear sky, what does the rebel want most? When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants the sun, because the rebel is entirely different from others. When everyone wants a clear sky, the rebel wants a sun, because the rebel is different from others. So, the rebel wants a sun when everyone wants a clear sky. Are you clear about these two questions? Yes. Shall we write this in our classwork notes? Write the heading, short questions. Write the letter S in capital. Leave a line. Then write the first question. If someone doesn't. For the word doesn't, write DOESN apostrophe T. Leave a space. Then write wear. Wear a uniform to school. Comma. What do you think the teacher will say? Put question mark. In the next line, you write the answer. The teacher will scold the students who will not be dressed in the school uniform while coming to the school. Begin the sentence in capital letter. For the word the, write the letter T in capital. Leave a line, then write the second question. When everyone wants a clear sky, comma, what does the rebel want most? Put question mark. In the next line, you write the answer. When everyone wants a clear sky, comma, the rebel wants the sun. Write first letter in capital for both question and answer. At the end of the sentence, keep full stop in the question 1 and question 2. Are you ready to discuss the third question? Third one. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, what if everyone else likely to have? If a rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. The rebel is always opposite to others. Others are most likely to be cat lovers. So that to against them, the rebel prefers a dog for a pet. He prefers to be a dog lover. So the answer is, if a rebel has a dog for a pet, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Do you understand? Good. What is the fourth question? Why is it good to have rebels? Do you have any idea? Why is it good to have rebels with us? It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. Can you understand this? Okay. I explain you. Rebels are unique thinking. They are different in their thinking. They teach us how to accept the disagree or opposition and to tolerate the difference of opinion. What is tolerate? Tolerate means to accept something even that you do not like. So, this rebel teaches how to tolerate the difference of opinion. Now, you tell me, why is it good to have rebels with us? It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate differences. This is the answer. Shall we write down this in our classwork notes? Okay. Take your classwork note. Write the third question. If the rebel has a dog for a pet, comma, what if everyone else likely to have? Begin the word for if, I in capital, and at last put question mark. Leave a line, then write the answer. If a rebel has a dog for a pet, comma, the others are most likely to be cat lovers. Keep full stop. Leave a line, then write a fourth question. Why is it good to have rebels? Put question mark. Write the letter W in capital for the first word why. Leave a line, then write the answer. It, it, it. I in capital letter, T in small letter. It is good to have rebels because they are different and they teach us to be able to accept and tolerate. Keep full stop. Can you remember what is tolerate? Tolerate means to accept something even that you do not like. Are you clear? Good. Shall we go to the fifth question? Yes. We have seen the fourth question with the reason. Why is it good to have rebels? Now, see the fifth question. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Can you guess it? Do you have any idea? Why is it not good to be a rebel? We have discussed in this revision. Can you remember it? Yes, it is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always critiques his behavior. That means no two persons can be equal. No two persons can be equal. Society never accepts a rebel. We must learn to accept with the society. Society never accepts a rebel. We must learn to accept with the society. Otherwise, the society always critiques his behavior. That means critiques the rebel's behavior. So we should not be a rebel. What does mean by critics? What is this word critics? CRITIQUES. Critics means describing the good and bad of somebody. So if we become a rebel, the society always describes about our good and bad behavior. So it is not good to be a rebel. We should not be a rebel. See the answer. It is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always critiques his behavior. Take your classwork note. Write the fifth question. Why is it not good to be a rebel oneself? Put question mark. Write the letter W in capital. Leave a line. Then write the first letter I in capital. Along with I, write the letter T. It. It. It is not good to be a rebel oneself because the society never accepts a rebel and always critiques his behavior. Keep full stop. I meet you in next class. Until, take care of your health. Be safe.